Hey, what's up? This is Ryan, and you're watching Burnwood Bushcraft. Today we're going to take a look at the fire wand by the Atomic Bear. This is a simple fire starting tool for bushcraft, hiking, backpacking. Put it in your bug out bag. The fire wand by the Atomic Bear consists of the fire wand and 3 waxed hemp ropes. When it comes to you, it looks like this. The wand is made from aluminum. Total package weight 0.03 kilograms. Let's talk about the measurements. The wand itself measures 4 inches or 10 centimeters. Each wick measures 33.02 centimeters, that's 13 inches. The wick in diameter measures 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters. All you have to do is just take one of the wicks and run it up through the wand. And pull out about 1 inch. So what we're doing right now is just spreading out these fibers, untwisting the strands. You don't have to do this if you're going to use just a lighter to start it, because you can light this without untwisting this and just put your lighter back in your pocket. Save your lighter fluid. But what we're going to do right now, we're going to try to catch a spark with a ferro rod. So we're just twisting these out a little bit. As you can see, I already got a fire going. But let's go ahead and see if we can get this fire wand to catch a spark from the ferro rod. Oh yeah. So now you can take your time, get your fire started, get your tinder going, save your lighter. All you need is a spark from your ferro rod. If it's windy, this will help. And to put it out, all you gotta do is just pull the wick back down into the wand. Like I said, I already got a fire started, but right here on the side I got just a pile of limbs. I'm going to shove some dry bark up under here. We're going to take a lighter and just light the end of the wick. Just like that, we have not one, but we have 2 fires. The fire wand by the Atomic Bear. Go check it out. We'll put the link down in the description.